Beautiful, beautiful.
Hey, look at that first try. Hey, fantastic, dude. Perfect. Perfect. You got a good smile, dude. Hey, what's up, Layden? How you doing, brother? Hey, always fun.
Always fun indeed.
Hey, let's do some Ollie Norths today. Prerequisite for this is going to be to know how to Ollie. So you got to know how to Ollie. We're going to demonstrate that, a few of those, and we're going to practice to emphasize our pop and that front foot motion of sliding that front foot up into the nose. Setting my feet up in the Ollie position. When I pop, I'm going to pop and really focus on rolling that front foot into the concave, okay? Now, the magic happens with your Ollie North after you already level out in the air, okay? So let's do a few Ollies and then we're gonna add to it. Yup. That's much better. That one looked way better. We're gonna use a low fence. This is perfect right here. Go ahead, throw your board down, maybe like about a foot away from the fence. Maybe a foot and a half. Whatever feels best for you. Let me see you hold that fence, really bend down deep and give it a big pop. Good, okay? Now, to start our Ollie North, this is where it gets kind of funky. You're gonna wait to kick your front foot out until your board starts to drop down out of the air. So,
just like suck my knees up.
So suck your knees up, and then as your board starts to drop down, the way that this works is you unlock your front foot from catching the nose because your board is dropping down.
Oh.
Understand?
Yeah.
That's what unlocks your front foot and allows you to kick your foot out and pull it back before you land. Ah, so that was a little early. So go ahead, try it again. Hey, there you go. So this is the beginning. This is the beginning. Good. Hey, that's actually really good. Okay, this time, give me about half the effort.
Half the effort?
Half the effort. That's it. That's it. Good. That's it. The big pro tip with Ollie Norths is you wait to kick your front foot out until you're coming back down from your highest point of your Ollie. Good. First of all, that was fantastic. Now, as you pop and get better at this, you'll start to finesse it more to where you'll get a better understanding of when to let your front foot slide over the nose, okay? Because it's still kind of catching, right? It will get better. Try it again. That's it. And the fence really helps to have that confidence, right? Yeah, for control. Good. Dude, so much better already. That's it. Another really good prerequisite for this is going to be how to kickflip. So let me see, hold the fence and do a kickflip. Good job. Let me see a kickflip on the flat. That's it. Dude, I swear kickflips is one of the hardest flip tricks.
It just gets me, bro.
It's like, it's so simple yet really difficult at the same time. All right, next. Late kick out.
Late kick out.
Late kick out with that front foot. That's it. That's the beginning.
That's the start.
That's the start, man. And remember, you're gonna kick the front foot out after you level out at your highest point. Perfect. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Dude.
Great t-shirt.
Dude. Let's go over here in the entrance and we'll get some rolling ones. So go slow. That's it. That's it. Good. You're gonna get it. So I'm feeling already that it feels more comfortable for me to lean back closer to my back foot a little bit more to help unlock and counterbalance kicking my foot out over the nose.
Okay. It's wild.
Not too much.
Beautiful, beautiful.
That's the one. Yeah. Can you get an Ollie off the bank?
Off it? Yeah.
Yeah, off the bank right there. All right, cool. Hang on. Woo! How'd that feel?
It feels good. I don't think I'm committing to like the landing. Like it feels good. Like you crouch down, you wait, until you get to where you want to pop and you.
Yeah, you do have to wait. You got to stay bent down. So your timing looks good. Try it again. So the benefit of doing this off of a bank is that you get a little more time in the air. And with that extra time, you have more time to kick that front foot out and get it back onto your board. Okay? Remember to exaggerate bending down into your landing on this. Okay? Really click off that tail just before the edge. And I put this blue line here as I help teach. It gives a visual guide. Hey, look at that first try. Hey, fantastic, dude. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now, did the bank help?
The bank, I feel like the bank helps a lot because I feel like you do the same motion when you're flying out of transition, so it's like your legs are already up this way.
Yeah.
So if you just kick it out,
See?
even if you hit the nose a little bit, it just automatically levels
And you,
it out.
yeah, and you have more time,
Yeah.
right? So that's because that's the big thing. Like when we're doing it on a flat ground, it seems so rushed.
Yeah.
It's like that window opportunity is so small. Yeah, so
you're
then
flying it up, that's
and I think that's a big thing why so many guys do Ollie Norths in transition, because they have more time to do a late kick and get their foot back on. Okay, so I wanna say this again. Remember to pop just before your front wheels go over the edge of the bank. The more you practice this is the more accurate you can become with getting your front wheels closer to the edge, and even if it's an inch closer to the edge to where it goes to flat, it'll gain you more height, more power, more launch, okay? Oh, the other big thing with this, believe it or not, what kind of shoes you're wearing has such a big deal with unlocking your front foot. So everybody trying this, experiment with different pairs of skate shoes you have, because some are more grippy than others and some take more effort than others, right? So sometimes you can find a shoe that slides off easy, and just to get those few landings really builds that confidence. I feel like I'm ollieing way higher than I should, so I'm gonna take my own advice here. I'm gonna pop less and try less, okay? I'm gonna give it half the effort right now.
Move it. Oh, that was butter.
Yeah, did that look better?
That was butter.
Okay.
Yeah.
That felt a little bit better. It wasn't that huge ollie that I'm looking for, the wow factor, right? But I did gain a lot more control.
Yeah. It looked really smooth.
Thank you. Okay, we're gonna switch it again. Layton, I want you to try some more of these. Dude, I'm really proud of you, man. You're doing fantastic. Try half the effort like I just did. That's better. Oh, that one went way over and you pulled it back.
That was crazy.
That was crazy. That's how mine was when I tried that first one. I was like, my back foot literally feels like it pulls into the middle of the board, and then I pull my front foot back on and spread my feet out again. It's kind of crazy. There you go. Even though you didn't get that full like extension of putting that leg out over the nose,
I feel like I was over it.
you still unlocking it, right? You can feel it start to unlock, and that's really the beginning of building the confidence to understand when to kick the front foot out.
Just kind of like relax mentally too.
Relax.
Just take time. Just don't stress too much over it. Skateboarding is hard.
Skateboarding is hard. Yeah, and if you ever want to think it's easy, just do it switch.
Yeah.
Do it nollie. That's right, do a fakie. Like every trick times 4, baby. Much better. Looking better, right? You're starting to keep more control, right? And that's the good benefit here. Practice makes perfect, man. Another few versions of Ollie North is going to be what people call Ollie South, where you try to keep your back foot off. So that's kind of weird, but it's not really that much of a treat to me, but hey, you know. And then another one that I really like is backside 180 Ollie North. So I'll try one of those for you.
That was a good one.
That's
I like
the one I was looking for.
That was sick.
Thank you. Good job today, dude. Seriously.
Appreciate it. It's a pleasure.
Thank you so much for letting me film this.
No problem.
Yeah, man. You did fantastic today.
Thank you.
Yeah, dude.